Hi, short and sweet lesson. This one, a short and sweet topic, only 4 lessons. This is our fifth one, which is the revision lesson. So you now go to the chapter review. You've got the multiple choice questions, you've got the short answer, and you've got your NAPLAN. So remember, first thing you're doing is you're marking your attendance. Make sure you do that first thing up. I sent a few emails, so about 4 students would have got an email telling them to go and fix up their work habits. And now it's just a case of going to lesson 5. And lesson 5 really doesn't have much to say other than mark your attendance and do the chapter review. And post any questions in the class forum. Maybe that's what I need to show some people how to use the class forum. So you've been able to come across here and click on my thread, which gave you a YouTube. So if you want to ask a question, you need to post the thread. So all you basically do is click on that button, type in a thing like you might say question 3. Explain to me in here what the problem you are having with this question. Make sure that you have shown some attempt. So you'll tell me, oh yeah, I tried this or I tried that. Uh, and also remember, you can use your calculator, and maybe that might give you a clue as to how to go about doing it. So once you've typed in that, you can click on post, and it will register. And I'll be there waiting to open them up and respond. And people can follow the posts, and maybe they'll learn from your questions. Uh, that's all. Oh, and the test will be most probably next week, not Friday. We'll see what we'll do. Might do something different on Friday, but certainly testing on the double of next week.